So there you go, I brought the GTR outside to, well, supposedly catch some rays, but, well, it's dark in the back alley, and I'm not moving it any further because it's a customer's car. But look at that beauty. Yeah, you gotta be happy with that. Looks amazing, right? Wow. Woohoo! It's beautiful. Well happy with that. I want one again. Give me another GTR. Wow. Beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. Happy days. Getting some looks, my friend. Getting some looks. All the people are stopping and having a stare at the car. Hope you like it, Dylan. Put some blood and sweat into this, I tell you. Yeah. Look at that gloss. It's like a mirror. Happy days. If you like what you see, guys, subscribe to the channel, and you too can be as happy as Dylan's gonna be, I'm sure. There we go. Over and out.